IS Gurukul is a very reputed coaching institute for sociology. Sir has taught for a lot of years now and has been giving consistent results throughout. So, what I would recommend is you listen to whatever he's teaching and you ask your doubts and you do not panic or you do not shy away from asking your doubts and you get them clarified and make sure you write a lot of tests.
See, there are lot many coaching institutions here and there, but the beauty in Pranay Agarwal sir's class is that the batch size is very limited and personal mentoring and one-to-one self-correction. Sir will correct your papers. Unlike another institute, some other people will correct, that sir will give some other feedback. Here, sir only correct your papers, he only give feedback. So try to utilize the classes as well as personal mentoring of Pranay Agarwal sir. You will get, I'm sure about his classes. Definitely it will going to help you to get good rank and good services even though. Yes, I will strongly recommend who are having a science background like me to take sociology optional in IS Gurukul. Good morning friends, this is Raghavendra Gundala, got All India rank 180 in Civil Service Examination 2018. Today I am with Pranay Agarwal sir in IS Gurukul. Thank you sir, and I want to share some of the insights which I got in last my few years, and I take this opportunity to to thank Pranay Agarwal sir for helping me. He is a person who personally mentored me and he did not hesitate me to help me at my last few days of my journey. Thank you Pranay Agarwal sir. Fortunately I met sir Pranay Agarwal sir. He is the person who helped me, especially my social section, society part. He did not even hesitate to pick my calls, even when I did not pick his calls, but he did not bother about, he did not hesitate to call me again. So mentors like Pranay Agarwal sir will help you.
जो भी छात्र आईएस गुरुकुल में प्रणय अग्रवाल सर के अंदर पढ़ रहे हैं, उन छात्रों के लिए मेरा संदेश ये है कि अगर आपने सोशलॉजी एज ए ऑप्शनल पेपर चयन किया है तो बहुत सही जगह पे हैं आप, और बहुत सही सब्जेक्ट भी आपने चुना है. सर का जो अप्रोच है, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा है. लाइक सर इंकरेज करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को टू हैव डिस्कशन, और बहुत मुझे लगता है बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. लाइक आपके पास डायमेंशन खुल जाते हैं कि अच्छा ऐसे भी सोचा जाता है. तो सर का जो क्लास है वो थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन ओरिएंटेड होता है. वो इंकरेज करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को कि आप क्लास में एज ए केवल स्टूडेंट्स केवल चुपचाप बैठे मत रहो, केवल मेरी बातें ना सुनो, ठीक है, आप खुद भी इंटरेक्शन में आओ और जो भी आपके मन में डाउट हो रहे हैं वो आप पूछो. इंकरेज करते हैं इनफैक्ट को क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए. तो बहुत अच्छा है. आप इनफैक्ट ये बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है. जनरली ऐसा नहीं होता है. जनरली आप क्लास में जाओ तो होता यूं है कि आप बैठ गए और टीचर आए और पढ़ाने लगे, आप सुन रहे हो और फिर चले गए. आप उससे ज्यादा नहीं सीख पाते हो. और अगर आपको ऐसा कहीं माहौल मिल रहा है कि आपको टीचर ही इंकरेज कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए, क्लास को इंटरेक्टिव बना रहे हैं, तो इनफैक्ट इससे अच्छा चीज नहीं हो सकता है. और एक चीज और जो मुझे ज्यादा जरूरी लगता है कि आप जब भी सोशलॉजी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं या कोई भी ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट इनफैक्ट, तो आप कम से कम आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस जरूर करते रहें. और वो आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस अगर डेली बेसिस पे हो रहा है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. अगर नहीं भी कर पा रहे हैं तो कम से कम एक चैप्टर जब खत्म हो रहा है तो उसके ऊपर कम से कम आप एटलीस्ट कुछ सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन तो जरूर सॉल्व कर लें, ताकि एक पता चल जाता है कि आपने जो चैप्टर में सीखा वो आप उसको सही से इम्प्लीमेंट कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली आप देखो, आप जरूर नॉलेज एक्वायर कर लोगे, इंटीग्रेट भी कर लोगे, अल्टीमेटली जो आपको मार्क्स मिलने हैं वो आपके राइटिंग पे मिलने हैं. आप किस तरह से आंसर लिख पा रहे हो, ठीक है. और ये राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस से ही होगा कि आपने जो नॉलेज एक्वायर किया है और जो इंटीग्रेट किया है उसको सही ढंग से आप आंसर में प्रस्तुत कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं. सर भी प्रैक्टिस करवाते रहते हैं आपको वीकली क्वेश्चन पेपर दे करके, और आप उसको बहुत अच्छे ढंग से करो. इनफैक्ट सर को थोड़ा परेशान भी कर लिया करो, सर चेक कर दीजिए इसको, अगर नहीं. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि सर आप जो बहुत अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स होंगे, जो बहुत इंथुजियास्टिक हैं उनको मदद करने के लिए भी हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं, ठीक है। तो आप सर के पास जाओ, उनको अपना आंसर लिख कर दिखाओ, जरूर सर आपकी कॉपी भी चेक कर लेंगे और आप में जो कमियां होंगी उसको बताएंगे भी, और जो कमी बताया भी जा रहा है उसके ऊपर आप वर्कआउट करो ताकि और इम्प्रूव कर सको, ठीक है। सर जो इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं वो हम आपके लिए और हमारे जैसे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मदद के लिए ही कर रहे हैं, ताकि हमारा जीवन सवर जाए और हम सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन में क्वालिफाई कर सकें। तो सर का जो सपना है कि उनका विद्यार्थी, हर पढ़ाया हुआ विद्यार्थी एक सक्सेसफुल कैंडिडेट बने, सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन में उसका एक नाम हो, रोल नंबर हो। तो मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि आप सर के सपनों को साकार करेंगे और पूरी एकाग्रता और आत्मविश्वास और दृढ़ता के साथ आप पढ़ाई करेंगे और सर के मार्गदर्शन, सर के द्वारा मार्गदर्शन जो दिए जा रहे हैं उसको आप जरूर अपनाएंगे और फॉलो करेंगे।
You are in an advantage. Your association with IS Gurukul, your being part of this institute, which is good. So you have this advantage. Please use this advantage, and you also made this right choice. In fact, so you made a right choice. You could be very happy about it. I mean, so have that. So be very confident about it, and I also wish good luck for every student in IS Gurukul, and I want you to go about this strategy, to have a clear strategy with take tests in prelims, see your scores, and that's very important. And then also when it comes to mains, please focus on optional and essay. Also to make sure that you finish the paper in 3 hours, along with all the aspects which you want to mention. So please do justice to every question. Please do not write very good answers in few questions and then not so good answers in others. So
the teacher is there after a lot of experience. I wish the students of IS Gurukul all the best for the coming prelims exam and also for the upcoming mains and interview. I hope you come out of it with flying colors. Have faith in yourself. Have faith in the teacher who's teaching you, because the teacher is there after a lot of experience. You're just here probably for a couple of years. The teacher holds the experience of a lot of years, probably a decade. So listen to the teacher's experience. There are basics that a teacher teaches you. I think that you should always follow. Like a interaction in the class, you should actively participate in interaction, because discussion is something that can go a long way. And second is answer writing practice. Weekly answer writing practice or daily answer writing practice. Do it, and probably for a month or two, and you yourself will see the difference. So believe in yourself, believe in your teacher, believe in your strategy, and I wish you all the best.
So to the students of IS Gurukul, I would advise you a very, I would wish you, first of all, wish you a very bright future ahead. And I agree with whatever Pranay said. They definitely work in the exam. Definitely answer writing is a very important part of this examination. For sociology especially, because it's a writing intensive optional. And you need to get into the groove of answer writing. You really need to get into the groove for that, so that your answers are, they can be up to the point, they can contain all the relevant information. So that is an important aspect. And interaction is also a very important aspect, because every student learns at his own pace. Every student has different requirements, and unless you convey to the teacher like what exactly are you expecting of him, what exactly are the points wherein you are getting stuck. So I would say that interaction and answer writing are both very important part of your preparation, and my best wishes are with you. Thank you.
To all the students of IS Gurukul listening to me and seeing me, I would like to tell you, you have taken a very good decision. So that has already separated you out from the crowd. What are the key factors which will help you throughout this journey is consistency. There's no substitute to hard work. You have to do a lot of hard work. There's no luck factor. And patience and perseverance. Have patience, have perseverance. Nothing comes in a day. When it comes to specifically to sociology, I would always say, as Pranay sir, I even believe in the thing that when you understand a topic, very clearly. It becomes very easy to connect with all the existing current affair problems that's going on.
It's to the students of IS Gurukul, I would say, that do really well in your exams. Don't be stressed. Good luck for your exams. Do practice many question papers and study when you feel like. Don't be overexhausted. And if you don't feel like studying, take a break, take a good coffee or something, and then come back again. But please don't take too much stress. Taking sociology as an optional after thinking about it in a very concise manner, that would be good. Okay. What you need to do is that you need to go through the class notes, and the regular answer writing is really good. And I think that's one of the things that needs to be done. It cannot be emphasized more. I just heard it that if you learn from your own mistake, you are a wise person. But if you learn from others' mistake, that makes you wiser. So take it from me that answer writing is very important. And if sir is providing some good questions, so what we need to do is just write the answer. I know for the first time it would be very, very difficult. It would be like, oh, I don't want to write an answer. It won't be that good. Better write bad answers in the practice itself, so that in exams you do really well. So thing you need to do is write answers, even if they're not good, it's okay. Yeah, so answer writing is very important and it cannot be emphasized more. So please do that and don't skip on writing answers. Show it to sir, get it evaluated. Even if you score really bad and he says, oh, you'll get 0 out of 10, that's okay. At least you tried. And the next time when you get a 0.5, you'll be really happy. Or ask suggestions, ask him what to write, how do I increase the score, how do I take it to 4 or a 4.5. And that's the most important thing for sociology. So be stressed, but to an optimum threshold. Don't go ahead of it and do well. All the best.
So, firstly, greetings to the students of IS Gurukul. I'm Aditya and I'm really happy to talk to you. First thing I need to tell you guys is that you've made exactly the right choice. As far as to what things you need to do to get good marks in this subject is firstly to attend your classes regularly. Don't miss anything. All notes you gather in the class will be extremely useful for you to clear the paper. You'll get a lot of concepts very easily in a very good form, palatable, just ready to digest.
So, hi, all the students of IS Gurukul. As clearing doubts as well as having a healthy discussion while you're not just listening to a lecture but also discussing and also asking doubts. Plus answer writing is very important because if you don't have conceptual clarity, you can't pass by mugging up. That's what I feel, because and sociology itself is very dynamic. Like you see things happening around you, and you can always find one or other concept within that within that incident. So if you understand it, you sort of gain an upper hand. Apart from that, and if you write answers and if you sort of get them evaluated regularly, I feel you also understand how to write those answers because you certainly understand some concepts.
So to the students of IS Gurukul who are studying sociology, I would like to congratulate them in this optional. Very, very interesting as well as intriguing at the same time. So I would like to tell that the phenomena that is being adopted by it's the best one that is available as of now. So answer writing is a very, very important thing. It should begin from where you start learning. But at the same time, there are certain people who get low in confidence if they're not able to write good. That should not be happening.
My advice to them is to, firstly, I have a couple of things to tell them. Firstly, is to do justice to themselves. If they are students of IS Gurukul, so they have such facilities accessible to them. They have really good faculty to help them, to guide them. Make use of this opportunity. ultimately it's not about clearing or not clearing, it's about doing 100% justice to your preparation. You have such good teachers, such good material with you, such good answer writing programs, so make complete, utilize it, use it really well, take the maximum benefit out of it, do 100% justice to yourself. Secondly, for those who have taken sociology optional, I can guarantee you this is a fantastic optional. It will not only help you in UPSC, it will help you in your life. Okay, please enjoy the process. Enjoy. If you're thinking confused about optional, take sociology. I have taken it. I can vouch for it. It's definitely good. It's scoreable. If you're just looking at it from a practical perspective, scoreability is definitely there. Syllabus is small, but larger than that, it's a wonderful subject which I feel every human being should study. So it will enrich you as a person. It will mold your personality. So definitely, I would advise you to take sociology.
Finally, to students of IAS Gurukul, I wish you all the luck, and you would need it. Luck is one thing we require in this exam, and hard work, no question about it. I hope you do really, really well in the coming attempts, and I hope you get through this year itself. A few things. One, first and foremost, right? Please get your foundation right. Sociology, if you're doing a sociology optional, get the thinkers right. You should know how the thinkers can be applied across concepts and what are the specific concepts of each thinker. Without that, going into the second paper, I would not advise, because there also it is very important that you understand it from a first paper's point of view. So do the first thinker part very well, even if it takes time. Do not run. Do not run. You would understand the cost later on if you ran through entire thing, right? That's one. Secondly, as IAS Gurukul does, answer writing. Start answer writing. Start it. Even if you think that you can't write anything, start scribbling something. We need it as pen on paper, right? At the end of the day, that is the exam.
So I will be, to all the aspirants who are studying in IAS Gurukul is watching this video, I'll say that please have faith in yourself. And this examination is all about having faith in oneself, being determined and doing and disciplined, yes, and be perseverant, क्योंकि जर्नी बहुत लंबी होगी, ठीक है, और आपको खुद पे भरोसा है, आपको अपने टीचर्स पे भरोसा है, और जो भी आपने कोचिंग ज्वाइन की है आप उस पर फिर आप डाउट मत कीजिएगा, गो ऑल आउट इन दैट एंड अपने टीचर से सवाल पूछिएगा, क्योंकि सोशियोलॉजी कोई भी ऑप्शनल है, कोई भी जीएसबी फॉर दैट मैटर, फंडामेंटल्स क्लियर करना बहुत जरूरी है. तो क्लास में एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट कीजिएगा, जब आपके टीचर्स कह रहे हैं उनकी बात सुनिएगा. They are the best guides for you, and have faith in yourself, and all the best, and hope so you will get the service of your choice and you will make through this examination with flying colors.
My name is Abhinav Kumar Gupta and I am from Chaitasa, Jharkhand. Presently I work with Deutsche Bank in its investment banking unit, and my experience with IAS Gurukul has been very good. Here I believe is the most experienced and a very good, and their feedback is quite good.
Hello, my name is Arushi Mishra. I come from Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh, and I have done my graduation from IIT Roorkee. And last year in 2018, I have been selected in Indian Forest Services, and this is my civils attempt, and I have taken socio as my optional. My association with IAS Gurukul, that was probably the watershed moment for me in the course of preparation, where I realized that even a slightest mistake can lead to a very wrong direction. So it helped me a lot in understanding. I am very sure that this helped me to notice my blunders, and then I recorrect it and appear in the civil services real examination. So I'm very thankful to the team, and I hope all the best for all the coming aspirants, and especially in the times that are very uncertain. I wish you all the best, and take good care of your family, your health and studies as well.